Antarctica, a desolate kingdom of ice and silence. For eons, it has guarded its secrets beneath a shroud of white, untouched and unknowable. But in 2026, the silence was broken, not by sound, but by a pulse. A massive magnetic anomaly, buried kilometers beneath the frozen surface. In laboratories across the globe, the data defied logic. High-frequency magnetic readings jaggedly spiked, suggesting something massive and metallic lies hidden in the dark. Operation Deep Penetration was launched, a multinational team of elite scientists and engineers, tasked with piercing the ancient ice to find the truth. The conditions are brutal. Wind speeds reach 100 miles per hour, but the mission cannot wait. The ghost in the ice is calling. The drill bit bites deep into the shelf. It carves through layers of history, descending toward a target that hasn't seen light for millions of years. As sensors descend, the readings intensify. The magnetic signature is unlike anything on Earth. It is cold, dense, and unnervingly geometric. Could it be a remnant of a prehistoric planetary collision? A giant iron core from a lost world, trapped forever in our planet's frozen basement. The team stands at the precipice of history. What they find next will rewrite everything we know about Earth's origins and the secrets of the ice. The ghost is no longer a mystery, it is a discovery. And the journey into the deep has only just begun.